sensational charges that has been leveled on part of the BJP, a fresh political slugfest that has now erupted with the BJP leveling charges against the Aam Aadmi Party and its national convener Arvind Kejriwal. You would have heard about Sheesh Mahal, now it is back in focus. And this time Sheesh Mahal 2.0, with the BJP alleges that was built under Kejriwal's watch and questioning the scale of the spending on the project. Now, in a sharp jibe, the party has dubbed the Aam Aadmi Party to be Alishan Aadmi Party, attacking its claims of representing the Aam Aadmi. The BJP has repeatedly raised the key question, where exactly did the money come from, demanding answers from the source of funding. And it has also asked who financed the project, intensifying the pressure on the AAP leadership as this new political row deepens.
तो जब केजरीवाल जी चुनाव हारे तो दिल्ली की जनता के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल आया कि केजरीवाल जी है कहां पर। केजरीवाल जी गायब हो गए। तब आज हमें समझ आया कि वो गायब नहीं थे, वो अपना शीश महल बना रहे थे, क्योंकि उनको पता था कि शीश महल में अब वो रह नहीं पाएंगे, अब उनको नया शीश महल बनाना था। तो जब जैसे दिल्ली में कोविड आया था, दिल्ली की जनता उनको ढूंढ रही थी और वो हमको कहीं पे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे थे। ऐसे ही जब दिल्ली में लोग पानी मांगते थे, बिजली मांगते थे, सड़कें मांगते थे, तो केजरीवाल जी अपना शीश महल बनाने में व्यस्त थे और हारने के बाद अपना दूसरा शीश महल बनाने में वो व्यस्त थे। आजाद भारत के इतिहास में ये पहला इंसान है जिसके शौक खत्म नहीं हो रहे। सबसे ज्यादा शौकीन व्यक्ति अगर आजाद भारत के इतिहास में कोई पैदा हुआ है तो उसका नाम है अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिसके नवाब वाले शौक है। नाम है इनका आम आदमी पार्टी और काम है इनका राजा महाराजा के, तो इनका नाम आम आदमी पार्टी नहीं होना चाहिए, इनका नाम होना चाहिए आलीशान आदमी पार्टी।
Well, to the allegations and the charges that has been leveled by the BJP, first Aam Aadmi Party reaction that is now coming in over this mega face-off. As far as his new place of residence is concerned, we are talking about Arvind Kejriwal as a convener of a national party that he was allotted this bungalow. However, on part of the Aam Aadmi Party, they are hitting back, calling these images to be fake. And in a way also asking that why doesn't the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta show her house to the media? That seems to be the retort that is now coming in. And as far as Dev is with us right now, Kritika is also joining us here on the broadcast. But Dev, also help us understand the first reaction that has now come in on part of the Aam Aadmi Party denying the allegations leveled by the BJP.
Well, yes, absolutely. It's a given obvious that it is going to state the fact that, will Rekha Gupta and the Delhi LG show their homes? Once they agree to that, even Arvind Kejriwal will open up his house. So the fact that the kind of claims that were being made, that despite the fact that it's a provision where the bungalow has been given by the government, but the renovation worth 70 crores and the other repairs, including expensive furniture, the marble objects, having a 5-bedroom house, 4 halls inside it, having leather sofas, etc. This kind of expensive and swanky furniture on a plush area, which is the 95 Lodi Estate Road bungalow that has been allocated to him. So these are the kind of remarks which Parvesh Verma, who also happens to be the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, made in presence of RP Singh, who's the other BJP national spokesperson as well. He went on to clearly say that where was Kejriwal when there was peak COVID or even after losing elections? While the people were asking for medicine, water and electricity, Kejriwal had not disappeared, but in fact he was busy working on his Sheesh Mahal 2.0, which he says he is like, in the press conference, if you heard, there are instances very clearly he went on to state the fact that Kejriwal is not living in a bungalow or a house, but rather the residence inside looks nothing short of a 7-star hotel in a resort in Goa. So you can really imagine that this issue of Sheesh Mahal 2.0 is blowing up into a political storm of sorts with the Aam Aadmi Party.
First reaction coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party denying those very allegations, calling the pictures to be fake that has been shared on part of the BJP. But Kritika, let's help us understand the chronology. As far as the allotment to Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, that has been done at the behest of him being a national convener of a party. He is recently shifted with his family. What is the BJP now accusing him of?
Well, that's right. In fact, he just shifted yesterday to the new address, which is 95 Lodi Estate. He was earlier residing at the residence allotted to Ashok Mittal, who has since now resigned from the Aam Aadmi Party. That was at 5 Flagstaff Road, very near to, in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters as well. Now, the BJP is alleging that just like the former residence of Arvind Kejriwal at 5 Flagstaff Road, which the BJP has had dubbed as the Sheesh Mahal, the renovations, the scale of renovations which are currently underway in his new residence are at par as well. The BJP is accusing the Aam Aadmi Party convener of being embroiled in all sorts of luxuries. That is the first and the major charge that, in fact, Parvesh Verma, who is the PWD, the Public Works Department Minister of Delhi, is now claiming. He's also, in fact, said that as the CAG reports as well as the Public Accounts Committee report findings into the 5 Flagstaff Road pointed towards glaring, in fact, over expenditure to the tunes of crores. In fact, as the original estimate was about 9.5 crores, the completed expenditure shot up by 10 to 15 times as well. And now, as far as the new residence is concerned, the BJP has done a press conference wherein they have, in fact, shown a presentation which claims to be pictures from the new house, which claims to be, in fact, the lookup of the new house. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that all of these pictures are fake. Now, remember the presentation as well. That is basically a mood board for a reference point for what BJP claims to be the kind of renovations that are currently underway Aam Aadmi Party chief's residence. The Aam Aadmi Party now has called as a blatant lie. In fact, they've also now challenged the Delhi LG as well as the Delhi Chief Minister to open up their homes and to reveal the sort of luxury furnitures as well as furnishings that they enjoy before, in fact, pointing a finger at the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo. But the timing of this is, in fact, very crucial, Amita, because remember yesterday as well, not only Raghav Chadha, but even a very close confidant of Arvind Kejriwal, Sandeep Pathak, who was till yesterday holding the National General Secretary position in the Aam Aadmi Party, had also claimed that the Aam Aadmi Party
the allotment of this bungalow seems to have been done in October itself, and now on the 24th of April, that seems to be the latest post that was put up by Arvind Kejriwal before, you know, that fiasco by Raghav Chadha happened. But there he had mentioned saying that he is now shifting to this new residence with his family because as the position that he holds as a national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party. First reaction on part of the Aam Aadmi Party, former Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has now come out to take on the BJP to say, and this is a translation from Hindi of a post, that all of the pictures released by Parvesh Verma are fake. They are not pictures of Kejriwal ji's house. To find out whose house is luxurious, Rekha Gupta ji and LG Saab should open their own houses, and Kejriwal ji then will open his house. The public will decide for itself. So this seems to be a challenge that has now been thrown on part of the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that if you want to reveal as far as how somebody's house looks like, because completely denying as far as what the BJP has been raising the allegation, saying that the house is so luxurious that it resembles a 7-star hotel suite. Now, denying all of the allegations, saying that these pictures are fake, that has been shared on part of the BJP, and saying, and throwing in a dare or a challenge to the ruling party, which is the BJP, their chief minister, which is Rekha Gupta, and also the LG, to actually showcase and open their houses to the public. So that is another reaction that has now come in from Sanjay Singh, and we'll be putting out exactly his post as well. The Aam Aadmi Party, which is already embroiled as far as this you know, what has happened politically, you know, by Raghav Chadha. And in the last 24 hours alone, this seems to be another setback. As far as Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, he says कि परवेश वर्मा द्वारा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घर के जो तस्वीर जारी की गई है वो फर्जी है। परवेश वर्मा और उनके द्वारा जारी की गई तस्वीरों में दिखाने वाले टीवी चैनल मानहानि का केस झेलने के लिए तैयार रहे, और मैं चुनौती देता हूं रेखा गुप्ता जी और लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर दिल्ली महोदय, और परवेश वर्मा अपना अपना घर जनता के लिए खोल दे, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अपना घर खोल देंगे, जनता को पता चल जाएगा कि किसका घर कितना आलीशान है. So the word आलीशान, this is something that has been dubbed by Parvesh Verma in this press briefing that he was addressing, where he has now dubbed the Aam Aadmi Party to be Alishan Party Aadmi, and he says, while sharing all of those pictures of luxury furnishings, luxury work that has now been done when it comes to a lot of spendings on the renovations and the modifications, and the source of the funding is something that is now being questioned on part of the BJP, saying that this seems to be the similar template on how Sheesh Mahal 1 was played, and this seems to be again Sheesh Mahal 2.0. Now let's talk about exactly what has happened with the Aam Aadmi Party as the setback is concerned, because